Now I got this car horn. It's a Stebel, Stebel. It's made in Italy. Would you believe? It's not made in China. I got on eBay for, I can't remember how much. It wasn't very expensive. It's a Stebel 80 Magnum. It's a little bit louder than your average beep beep horn that you get in sedans these days, especially the smaller sedans. This is they class this as a car or truck. I don't know if you'd use it in a truck horn. So I've got it connected up to this little 12 volt lead acid accumulator, which is a small car battery. So let's have a listen to what it sounds like. Here we go. It's hard to get those plastic things just slip. Here we go. Right. I think that's probably a bit louder than your little beep beep horn, so that's the Stebel.